We're making a quick and easy savory breakfast pizza on a tortilla that is high in protein with egg, cheese, and turkey sausage. They can be made on your choice of tortilla and quickly baked in the oven with a sunny side up egg on top. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make these breakfast tortillas, we start with a tortilla, and you can use either a white corn tortilla that makes it gluten-free, and I really like the soft taco size that is larger than the really small little yellow corn tortillas. Or you could just use a soft taco size flour tortilla, or you could use larger tortillas if that's your preference. And you can customize your toppings any way you like. I really like using this ground turkey sausage because it's really lean but also very flavorful. And I have a mix of some cheddar cheese as well as some mozzarella cheese, which gives you that really nice melt. So to make the pizza, I've started by lining my pan with a piece of parchment paper. And then I'll go ahead and make one with each tortilla. Now for the sauce, you could use some pizza sauce, or I'm just gonna use some really delicious marinara sauce. So I'm just gonna put a good spoonful on each tortilla. And then I'm going to spread it around almost to the edge. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe on my website with all the details. And as I'm spreading my sauce, I'm going to push some of these a little bit larger chunks towards the outside edge because they'll help make kind of a wall to hold in our egg. Next, I'm going to sprinkle on some cheese, and I'm going to make it just a little bit thicker around the edge to also help contain our egg. Next, I'm just going to spread on some pieces of our turkey sausage, but you could use any meat that you like. Some bacon or even pepperoni would taste fantastic. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So now that we have our meat and our cheese, we can add our egg. And what's so fun about this pizza is that you can just crack your raw egg right on top of your pizza, and it will cook with all the rest of your ingredients. But you could scramble your egg separately if you'd like to, and then add it on top of your pizza. So I'm just gonna crack my egg carefully right into the center of my tortilla. So I'm gonna open it very slowly to try and contain the egg yolk. But on its own, it'll start spreading throughout the pizza. Now eggs always need to be seasoned, so I can go ahead and sprinkle on about 2 or 3 pinches of some salt and a couple dashes of pepper. And then these are ready to go into a 400-degree oven for about 10 or 12 minutes, or until the egg is fully cooked and the cheese is just starting to turn a golden brown. Now as you pick up your cookie sheet, you will want to be careful to keep it very steady so that your egg doesn't run off your tortilla. Well, here are our muffins out of the oven, and they look amazing. You can see that we did get a little bit of spillage from our egg, but that is okay. And then to add just a little bit of color and some Italian flavor, I've taken just a couple of basil leaves, and I'll just roll these up, give them a quick slice, and then sprinkle some of these on top. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. And then having the parchment paper makes it really easy to just transfer them to a cutting board. And then you have several options for how you eat your pizza. You could fold it in half, kind of like a taco, or you can slice it up like a traditional pizza. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slice this right through the middle. Oh, that looks so good. And I really like how the yolk is just nice and soft, but not runny. Sure, blow on it so it's not too hot. That is so delicious. I'm getting egg plus pizza plus breakfast burrito all in one incredible bite. And I love that you can quickly make it on the tortilla so there's no pizza crust involved, and it can be customized exactly the way you like it. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm gonna feel just as good even after I eat it. And I want to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. I've included the link to this full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait for you to join me again in my kitchen.